In this lesson, we will be looking at using substitution to validate equations. An equation is a mathematical sentence. Remember that equations represent equality or equivalence. They contain an equal sign. This is different from an expression. An expression does not contain an equal sign. Once it has an equal sign, it becomes an equation. There are three types of equations. Ones that are true. The two sides of the equations have the exact same value. Ones that are false. The two sides of the equation do not have the same value. And an open sentence. The equation contains at least one variable, so it can represent a true or a false equation, depending on the value of the variable. A solution is a value for the variable that makes the equation true. Determining whether a value is a solution, you plug a number in and see whether the equation is true. So here's an example. m equals 18 is a solution for 2m minus 5 equals 34. Substitute 18 in for the m. Remember, when the number is directly beside a variable, it means to multiply. 2 times 18 minus 5. Take 2 times 18, which is 36, then subtract 5. Does not equal 34. 36 minus 5 is 31. So this is not a solution. Here's some more. Any value for the variable that makes the equation true is a solution. Replacing the variable with the value you want to test. So 7k equals k plus 24. I think 4 might be a solution. To check that, I replace the k with the number 4. So 7 times 4 equals 4 plus 24. Well, 7 times 4 is 28. And 4 plus 24 is also 28. So yes, 4 is a solution. Let's look at these. We're going to classify these as true, false, or an open sentence. 3m minus 2 equals 14. This is an open sentence because you can test different numbers for m to see if it's true or not. 15 equals 7 times 2 plus 3. This is a closed sentence. It has a definite answer. There are no variables in that sentence. 72 plus 3 equals 8 times 3. Solutions for equations. How many solutions? A team has 9 players on the field, plus a group on the bench. If their roster shows 23 players total, how many are on the bench? Write an equation. Can there be 15 players on the bench? So we have an example of a word, 2 number sentences, and a story problem. So let's look at w plus 1 equals 6. There is one solution. 5 is the only number that works for w to make this equation equal 6. 3b equals 3b. There is infinitely many solutions. Any value for b will make this sentence true. 9 plus b equals 23. 9 plus 15 equals 23. Can there be 15 players? No. 9 plus 15 is more than 23.